So we went down to El Paso, we visited with my buddy Tyson, we took his truck into Hammer Performance, and we worked with Julian over there. We love these guys. So we took it in and we wanted to establish a baseline. To give you background on Tyson's truck right now, it currently's got a full race intercooler, an SMB intake, and it's running the SCAB Stage 2 on a 91 octane. They can't get 93 octane in El Paso, so that's the best fuel that we can get them right now from a pump. So we established a baseline, and then we went on and started installing the tubes. So the tubes are supposed to give a better load, and they're supposed to play a thermal role as well to keep the temps down, being plastic. There's a 222% cross-sectional surface increase, so that's supposed to flow the air better and help those turbos spool better. Now we're always limited here because the turbos on the EcoBoost Raptor are a little small for what we would like to see, but anything that we can add to help. We're always trying to make sure before we tell you, hey, get this product, we want to make sure that it works. So we did several dyno runs, and then we made sure to do a couple additional dyno runs with a load because we're dealing with a turbocharged vehicle, specifically the Raptor. We put a 15% load in order for us to see how those turbos are going to work and get the torque out. And here are the results. So to answer the question, do they actually work? And the answer is they do. We made the same amount of horsepower about 1,000 RPM sooner. So if you look at the power under the curve, we made more power. We also made, at the very same peak torque, we made about 20 more foot-pound of torque. So they did work. We're going to test them on the RA550 as well, just to see a different custom tune for his truck with TransTune, if with the shift points dialed in, if we can make more power on this. We're gonna report back to you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me or any member of my team. I will leave the link for the Boost tubes so you can order off our website and more information on there as well. Until then, we'll see you with more products and more information. Have a good day.